Open the file in a PDF reader. Choose Print. In the Print setting box, make sure that the file is set to print at actual size or the scale is set to 100%. Tick Choose Paper Source by PDF page size. This way you will have all 4 margins visible. I suggest printing first page only to measure test square, just to make sure that the pattern is printed to the correct scale. The test square should measure 5 cm by 5 cm. Once the test square is measured and each side is correct, the entire pattern can be printed. After pattern is printed, you need to assemble it. The pattern is made of 3 rows with 5 pages in each row. Each page has a reference number, for instance A01, A02, and so on. First page is A01. You don't need to trim page 1 at all. Page A02, trim the left margin of page A02 along the black solid line. Then place page A02 on top of page A01 and match all the lines. And tape together. Page A03. Trim the left margin and line up to the side of page A2. Match all the lines and marks and tape together. Page A04. Again, trim the left margin and line up to the side of page A03. And tape it. Last page in this row is page A05. Trim the left margin and line up to the side of page A04. Second row starts with page B01. On this page, trim the bottom margin, only bottom margin. and line up to the page number A01, to the top of page A01. And tape it. Next page B02, trim the left and bottom margins. Left and bottom. Trim it off. And line up to pages A02 and B01. Match all the lines and tape it. Next page is B03. Trim the left and bottom margins. And line up to pages A03 and B02. Page B04. Again, trim the left and bottom margins. And line up to pages A04 and B03. Last page in this row, page B05, trim the left and bottom margins and line up to pages A05 and B04. and tape it. Last row starts with page C01. Trim the bottom margin, only bottom margin of page C01, and line up to the page number B01. Match all the lines and tape it. Next page is CO2. Trim left and bottom margins. And line up to pages BO2 and CO1. And tape it. Next page is CO3. Again, trim the left and bottom margins of page CO3, left and bottom, and line up to pages BO3 and CO2. Page CO4. Trim the left and bottom margins of page CO4. And line up to pages BO4 and CO3. And secure it in place with tape. And we have one page left. And last page, page C05. Again, trim the left and bottom margins. And line up to pages B05 and C04. Tape it. Use tape to secure all pages, and your pattern is assembled. Now you can cut it out. When you cut out all the pieces, you should have placket piece. Straight arrow shows grain line. You will need to cut 2 pieces of placket. Collar piece. You will need 1 piece of collar. Collar piece has a fold line, which means it needs to be placed to a fold and cut on folded fabric. Front part. Again, pay attention to the grain line, and this part, this piece has a fold line too, so it needs to be placed to a fold and cut on folded fabric. You have 2 versions of sleeve, 2 options. You can have long sleeve or short sleeve. You will need 2 pieces, mirrored pieces of long sleeve or short sleeve. Back part has a fold line as well, so it needs to be cut on folded fabric. And collar stand. You will need to cut 2 mirrored pieces, and this piece has a fold line as well. Yeah. This is a suggested cutting layout to give you an idea how fabric can be folded and how you can place the pattern on your fabric. The sewing process will be shown in next tutorial. The link can be found in the description to this video. And thank you for watching. I hope you find it useful.